Nibiru is a brown dwarf star that has a very eccentric orbit and forms a binary system with the Sun. Although not widespread, most of the solar systems in the galaxy are made up of 2 or more stars. Its size is 3 times that of Jupiter, on the border between a giant gas planet and a dwarf star. By definition it can be either. However, its orbit has a contrary sense to the planet's, and that would be proof that it is a star that did not fully develop, losing part of its mass in its passage near the Sun. Nibiru arrives in an orbit that passes between Jupiter and Mars, just where the asteroid belt is. It is said that there existed a planet called Tiamat that was destroyed by the action of the gravitational force of Nibiru. Nibiru has been seen repeatedly and not always about the same way. While the Earth orbits around the Sun in a year, Nibiru does so in 2,800 years, and this produces a variety of possibilities. It can be seen as a simple star or, in the worst case, as a huge mass with a larger size than the Sun. Nibiru is visible when it goes towards the Sun, and in this case it can resemble a comet, with head and tail. But when he returns from the Sun, the solar winds give him the appearance of a horned head. This vision alone terrified the ancient inhabitants of the Earth. Comet Halley's passage has produced a similar effect. Even if it is a harmless comet, imagine what a giant 3 times larger than Jupiter can produce. The last step of Nibiru was in year 0 of our era, and its next step will be in the year 2800. The same thing that began the Christian era will be what put an end to it. This has always been the same way, and that is why the Sumerians gave the name of Nibiru to this star, which translated justly means change of era.